everyone, welcome back to the channel Coin Market Hub. Dear friends, as you know, I always come available project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining website, play to ones, and a lot of more. Dear friends, today we are discussing about a amazing and a comprehensive financial decentralized platform Vault X. So in this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you grab this opportunity and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before we to start further review, I would request, if you are new on my YouTube channel Coin Market Hub, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Vault X. As you can also find out all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here. You can join this amazing platform. Here you can also check out a tutorial video, and you can also find out different investment packages here where you can also participate and you can also make a lot of profit. And defense, here you can also check out wax lending, and here you can also participate and get 380 percent of the percentage in wax liquidity. You can also get up to 1500%, and in consolidated wax arbitrage you can also get 2735% annual profit here. Now it is up to you if you want to be check and participate. And here you for the participation, you must be connected to your wallet first, and this platform is available in different language. You can also choose according to your country, and then you need to connect your wallet. Defense, you can also choose Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask, and then you can easily grab this opportunity. And defense, now I am going to be connect my MetaMask, and it is very simple and easy way to connect your wallet and the user friendly interface of this project, and you can easily grab this opportunity and use here as well. Here you can also check that wallet is successfully connected, and you also build your referral link and find out link in my video description, and then you can also participate and you can also check out. You can also anyone where you want to be participate, you can also choose and check out its white paper here and get more information about all the detail. And you can also get information. And Vex looks forward to working with global crypto market user, and Vex share the bright future of decentralized financial platform. And you can also grab this opportunity, and you can also check out all detail and find out our link and read out this white paper and read out thoroughly. And you can also participate and choose any package where you can also participate and get a huge annualized price and profit right here. You can also check out here. You can also check out the wallet information and cycle where you also participate and get profit like that in cycle. Here you can also select 8 to 12 weeks, and you can also choose anyone. Then you need to put your amount like that. Here you can also start from 3000 and up to it is up to you how much you want to be spent. You can also check daily income 1%, and you can also choose anyone other, and you can also check out like that 500 the minimum is here. And you can also get 0.8% as well. You can also choose anyone, and then you can also earn from here. You can also check out the lending detail and defense. You can also check out prompt payments and mortgage loans and credit loan. You can also anyone get loan right here. And you can also check out the popular lending currencies, and you will be check out your borrowing record here and all information. You can also make your team, and you can also grab this opportunity, and you can also invite your friend, family, and relatives, and then you can also earn money. And here is my section where you can also check out your all total balance and withdrawal amount and all assets detail easily right here. And I recommended to all of you must be read out its white paper and learn more information about the project like that basic lending function and lending mechanism and many more process and detail. And you can also check out all detail here. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their X account, and the World X comprehensive financial decentralized platform is the best opportunity is 2025 where you can also grab this opportunity. And the launch of World X has been a huge success, and they welcome fans from all over the world to join him. You can also check out their all previous pin tweets and learn more information, as well as must be joined its Telegram community to get latest news and updates related to this this amazing project. And dear fans, here you also follow them and subscribe its YouTube channel and check out their previous all videos and learn more information. So this project is very valuable, where you can also participate and earn more profit right here. And I hope so you like this video. Share my friends to your next video. Thanks for watching.